Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. This is quite a surprising one coming from the Ebonyi youth, and of course the Igbo youth, Igbo groups, different all sorts. All of them actually, most of them actually have reacted and have decided to do this over what is going on concerning the herdsmen that that are actually having field day in Igbo land. But before we go to the news proper, like it, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Let's start with what the youth did some hours ago in Ebonyi State. Well, there was tension as at yesterday night at Ugwachara in Ebonyi State after suspected Fulani herdsmen stormed the area to carry out a serious mayhem on the members of the community. But according to report, youths of the community resisted the Fulani herdsmen that invaded their community with different kinds of weapons ranging from cutlass to guns and so on. While speaking on a condition of anonymity, a resident of the area said what the villagers was because the youth of the community were at alert throughout the night. He said the displaced Fulani herdsmen at their former they displaced a Fulani herdsmen at their former settlement center located at Ugwachara, regrouped yesterday night just to attack the residents, but was subverted by the combined effort of the youth in the area. He thanked the youth for being smart in resisting the attack, which could have resulted to loss of lives again and properties. Well, recall that Governor David Umahi on Tuesday condemned the senseless attack of the people of Egede in Ishelu local government area of the state by suspected herdsmen. Well, in a statement by Special Assistant to Media and Publicity, said the governor made the condemnation when he personally visited the communities on receiving the security information on the matter to ascertain the level of carnage. The attack, which allegedly occurred on Monday night, led to the death of about at least 25 residents, affecting Ngalaha, Obegu, Amazu, Nkalagu, and Umugwali autonomous community. But finding out what the people are saying, IPOB, INC, ASETU, and others are insisting that they will definitely flush out killer herdsmen from Igbo land. Well, from Magnus Eze, Enugu, Stanley Uzoaru, Owere, Solomon Mokpogu, Newi, and Jeff Amechi Obudu on nature, the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Igbo National Council, INC, Association of Southeast Town Unions, ASETU, and the traditional institutions in the Southeast have vowed that the Igbo would defend their homeland and flush out murderous Fulani headers from Southeast. In separate reactions to the recent massacres of innocent residents by suspected herdsmen in Adani, Uzowani in Enugu State was in Enugu State, as well as Ishelu local government area of Ebonyi State, the groups vowed that never again would they allow their people to be killed mindlessly. Ohaneze Ndigbo had, while condemning the attacks on Wednesday, assured the people that such senseless killing would not be allowed to continue. They called on the Southeast governors to urgently activate a regional security measure to enforce the ban of open grazing. The Apex Igbo organization also called for strict and emphatic implementation of national and state law against illegal occupation of land. Which one is illegal? Is it the one they have paid for? Our agreed is going to what is causing us these issues in South. But let's continue. Well, authoritatively, it was gathered that the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu has since deployed the Eastern Security Network (ESN) to Ebonyi to protect the people of the state and also fish out those behind the Monday night attack that claimed over 25 lives in 3 Ishelu communities of Egede, Obogu, and Amauzu. Kanu had on Thursday vowed that IPOB would avenge the killings in Ebonyi communities. IPOB then declared its readiness to partner with any local security outfit in the southeast that would assist in the search for the murderous group that invaded the communities. IPOB Media and Publicity Secretary Ima Powerful said, "We said it before that IPOB and ESN will support genuine vigilante groups formed to tackle terrorists in their respective villages. Every village and market can form security outfit to tackle these Fulani terrorists masquerading as herdsmen in our territory. All vigilante group must be prepared to welcome ESN and stop Fulani herdsmen in our land. We support every vigilante group ready to show ESN operatives where to get these murderers disturbing our mothers, wives, and sisters. The Igbo National Council (INC) also told us that the group has dispatched its lion walk vigilante to the troubled areas in Ebonyi, claiming that they had commenced combing of the forest in this state in search of the killer herdsmen. National president of the group, Sh0cking, who stated this, vowed that they would not spare anybody that had a hand in the killings. He described the assault as reconfirmation of the Mighty Allah's resolve to continue to attack the Igbo in a bid to scare the people and grab their lands and also convert them to Islam. We, the Igbo National Council (INC) worldwide, have mandated the volunteers operation Ije Agu, that's Lion Walk, to commence combing all the forests suspected to be hideouts or occupied by these criminal terrorist herdsmen and bandits, God sent stated. Wow. On its part, the body of Southeast Town Unions said that the people must now rise up, roll up their sleeves, and permanently put a stop to these unwarranted and unprovoked mass murders of their people on their own soil, noting that these barbaric killings had continued because the political leaders in the society and societies had refused to enact the anti-open grazing law and forest guard laws, along with the creation of livestock guards. ASETU, that's ASETU, urged the communities to revive their local security outfit to protect their homeland. National President of National President also went further to of that's ASETU. Chief Emeka Digwe said the body will soon mobilize the people of Southeast to protect and demand a quick enactment of anti-grazing laws in their state. Meanwhile, the traditional rulers in the riverine areas of Anambra State indicated that their domains were ready to seek alternative ways to defend themselves if the precarious security situation persists. Traditional ruler of Umeje in Ayamulum local government of the state, Igwe Nnamdi, said that each locality should find peculiar ways of addressing its own security problems. Those headers are not harder than us. They do not have better arms or charms. We were only being patient. Whatever might be the case, we are going to defend ourselves now, he said. His counterpart of Ulumbanasa in Anambra West, LGA Igwe P. Omachuno, and Umuoba in Anambra East local government area, Igwe G.O. Ekwalo, spoke in the same light, while Omachuno suggested the convocation of Southeast Security Summit. Well, Ekwalo asked the government to permit every locality to form their own security outfit based on the peculiarity of each area. Already, the Ebonyi state government has directed 13 local government chairmen in the state to immediately form local vigilantes and put crossbars at strategic locations to fish out criminal elements and assist security agents in the local government area. Well, Igwe Simon Chidubem of Umobu community in Ayamelum local government area of Anambra State said the menace of Fulani herdsmen in his area have been minimal this year compared to previous years because of the town fortified group. Wow, this is quite interesting. Everybody is now ready, geared up for the main purpose of securing their land. That's where we're going to wrap it up. It's quite much though, but everybody are saying the same thing. Technical advisor, even to the coalition of all Igbo organization, that's Igbo Nile, even went further, that's Sh0cking Ebonyi, said all Igbo men, women and children must be as security conscious as the Israelis, adding that intelligence and self-defense must be deployed to save the people of the Southeast. A lot of them are ready. Bam! That's how it should be. Everybody should protect his land, even if it means Ogbunigwe use to protect your land. But that's where we're going to wrap it up. What's the take on the fact that every society, Anambra and Nubu, everywhere, they're gearing up for this